Okay, now we are going to look at the scaling tool. It is located right here, or you can type in the letter S to activate it. Now, let's scale this parabola. In order to do that, let's select the object first, and then let's select the tool. So now you'll notice that there are a lot of green boxes appearing around this object. So, according to the direction in which you want to scale it, you can select one of these green boxes. In our case, I want this column to be aligned with this side. So, let's select this one and carefully move it to this side. And then just left click on the mouse button to scale it. Now, let's scale this side quickly.